Let's be honest, people already missed the biggest opportunities on the internet. Bitcoin, NFT, early YouTube, TikTok. Right now, AI influencers are quietly becoming the next wave. And today I'm testing a platform that not only lets you create one, but actually pays you for it. This is Higgsfield, and in this video I'll show you exactly how I created an AI influencer, animated it, posted it, and how the monetization works step by step. What's up guys, I'm Seals21 and on this channel I test new tech, AI tools and creator platforms, especially the ones that might actually be worth your time. This is not one of those overhyped AI tools where everything sounds amazing but doesn't work. I'll show you my screen, the real workflow and explain who this is actually for and who should probably skip it. First, why AI influencer? Social platforms don't really care who posts content. They care about retention, consistency and engagement. AI influencers are perfect for that. They never get tired, they're always on brand, and you can scale content insanely fast. That's why you're seeing hyper-realistic AI people all over Instagram, Reels and Shorts, and most people don't even realize they're AI. Higgsfield is a Gen AI company focused on creators. They recently launched 2 new products. AI Influencer Studio, where you create and animate AI characters, and Higgsfield Earn, where you get paid for posting AI influencer content. Most platforms stop at creation. Higgsfield goes one step further: monetization. This is AI Influencer Studio. Instead of picking generic face, you're building a fully original character. There's over 90 different parameters: face, gender, ethnicity, skin color, eye color, skin conditions, age, advanced settings, mouth and teeth, ears, face skin material, body type, proportions, style, even unconventional or unrealistic designs. And this is important, there's no normal here. You can create hyper-realistic human stylized characters or something completely different. You can start from presets or even merge characters together. Human plus creature, twins, Unreal Anatomy, wherever fits your content. So for example, let's pick human, male one, European, with white eyes, and yeah, that's all. Now we can click generate influencer. What I really like is the prompt editing workflow. You generate an image first, then refine it instead of starting from zero every time, which saves a lot of time. Once your character looks right, you bring it to life using the motion engine or motion control. This turns your static influencer into an actual character. So you can click here, you have also examples, some dances, then you click the motion control, here you place your influencers and here you place your example video. Here you have scene control mode, here you choose where the background should come from, the character image or the motion video. So I picked the video one, now it's square and it's generating. Then you get smooth controlled motion and expressive movement, not just random animation. You can generate up to 30-second HD videos, which is perfect for shorts, reels and TikTok style content. Here's how most people use AI wrong. They focus too much on realism. What actually works is strong personality, simple hooks, repetitive formats. Think POV content, daily AI influencer updates, the AI girl reacts to, or even faceless storytelling. The influencer doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to be confident. Now the most interesting part, Higgsfield Earn. This is where Higgsfield becomes different from most AI platforms. You log in, connect your social account and verify ownership instantly. And the platform will look like this. Then you post your AI influencer video on YouTube or Instagram, paste the link into an Earn dashboard, and your performance starts tracking. You earn money directly from Higgsfield based on views and engagement. No brand deals, no emailing companies, no waiting months. This is perfect if you want an experiment with AI content, don't want to show your face, want a scalable side hustle, or just want to stay ahead of trends. You don't need a massive audience, you just need to post consistently. AI influencers are not gimmick anymore, they're becoming a real category of content. And Higgsfield one of the first platforms that actually lets creators monetize their property. If you want to try it yourself, links are in the description. Subscribe if you want more real content and tests like this. No hype, just honest breakdowns.